Hello, it's me again. Today our story is going to be Shark in the Park on a Windy Day. This is by Nick Sharratt. Shall we have a read? Oh, I think that's what we're looking for. Let's turn the page and find out. Shark in the Park on a Windy Day. It's a wild and windy day, and a certain small boy is out with his dad and his favourite toy. Can you see his toy? There you go. Shall we turn the page? Timothy Pope tries looking through his telescope. The wind blows his scarf, the wind blows his hair. He's blowing this way and that way, but Tim doesn't care. Because this is what he sees. Can you see what he's seeing? Tim knows that shape and he knows what to do. He shouts, "Shark in the park!" Can you shout that out too? Let's have a go. After 3. 1, 2, 3. Shark in the park! Should we do that once more? Okay. That was your trial run. This is a real one. 1, 2, 3. Shark in the park! Let's turn the page. It isn't a shark that Timothy sees. It's a big black umbrella caught up in the breeze. Eek! Can you see it? It's not a shark at all. Let's turn the page to see what happens next. Timothy Pope looks again through his telescope. The wind blows his scarf, the wind blows his hair. He's blowing this way and that way, but Tim doesn't care, because this is what he sees. Oh dear me, Tim's got no choice. He shouts, "Shark in the park!" Would you like to have a go shouting? Let's give it a go. Inside shouting. 1, 2, 3. Shark in the park! Shall we try that again? 1, 2, 3. Shark in the park! At the top of his voice. Shall we turn the page to see what's there? What a relief it isn't a shark. It's a big friendly dog with a big friendly bark. Woof! That was not the shark, that was his tail. Let's turn the page. Timothy Pope has one last look through his telescope. The wind blows his scarf, the wind blows his hair. He's blowing this way and that way, but Tim doesn't care, because this is what he sees. Could that be? Timothy does what he knows he must. He shouts, do you remember? Shark in the park! Should we try that? 1, 2, 3. Shark in the park! We could try again. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Shark in the park! Till he's fit to burst. Let's turn the page. It isn't a shark that Timothy spied. It's a runaway pram with a baby inside. Help! Help! And it's heading for the pond. Oh my, shall we turn the page to see what happens? But Tim's dad runs fast. He grabs hold of the pram. The mother says, "Thank you, how grateful I am." "Really," says Tim's dad, "you ought to thank Tim. He spotted your pram, so it's all down to him. What a hero Tim is. Should we turn the page? That was exciting, says Tim. By the way, it's a good job there weren't any sharks here today. What is in the park today? I think we can use our eyes to have a look. In the park, we can see the dog, Timothy's dad, Timothy, and his telescope. We can also see some ducks. Quack, quack, quack. Oh, and an ice cream and a statue. But can we see anything there? Shark in the park! I wonder what that could be. We'll have to wait until the next book. The end.